Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can do about factorization by x. About this one, we can do another factorization by negative number 1. About this one, we can do about factorization by x. About this one, we can do another factorization by negative number 3. Next, we can do another factorization by y+4. We can do another factorization by y-3. So this one and this one we put on the left, the x we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So about negative number 3, we can put into positive number 4 minus 7. Because 4 minus 7, we have negative number 3. About this one, I can put into x minus 3 plus 2. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1 similar for this one. So we have 1 minus 7 over y plus 4. This one similar. The integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of this one, we have 7 ln of the absolute value of y plus 4. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of x minus 3. And then we put about c. This one is about positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.